Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can create super speed effect using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template, and here we are going to elements and here we will find running man. We will go to photos. You can use any of the photo, right? For example, I am using this. You can use something else as well, or you can use this one photo as well. So I'm going to remove the background, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it over here, and then we are going to edit this, and here we are going to apps, and here we will search for slice, right? Slice. Okay, it is over here. We will simply open this, click on sliced, and here it is asking us about the count. So whatever the count we want, we can simply select that particular count, right? We can also set the offset, right? Click on save, and now we are just going to edit the photo again. Okay, and we are going to click on adjust, or we are going back, click on see all. Here we will find the blur effect, whole image, intensity. We can set the intensity as per our requirement, right? It's done. Similarly, you can decrease the transparency, right, as per your requirement. And now our photo is almost ready, right? And we are going to press the Alt and the Alt and the Alt and the Alt, the Alt and the Alt, Alt, Alt. Okay, so here we have created the super speed effect using Canva, right? So this is how you can simply create a super running or super speed effect using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.